This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a guitar blender. First, let's define our unique project, combining a guitar's aesthetic with a blender's function. You'll need a suitable guitar body, ideally one that's no longer playable, and a working blender motor and blade assembly. Carefully consider how these two distinct items will merge, focusing on both safety and stability for the final product. This initial planning is crucial for a successful build. Now, let's get to the core assembly. Carefully open the guitar body and create a stable mounting point for your blender motor. This might involve some internal bracing. Next, wire the blender's power cord and switch to the motor, ensuring all connections are robust and properly insulated. Safety is paramount here, so double-check every electrical joint. You want a secure and functional unit that operates reliably. With the motor in place, it's time to add some guitar flair. Consider using guitar knobs for speed control or a pickup switch for power. Before any blending, perform comprehensive safety checks. Ensure there are no exposed wires and that the housing is secure. Then, test the blender with a small amount of water to confirm it functions correctly and safely. This step is vital for peace of mind. Finally, secure the guitar body, making sure all internal components are protected and the structure is stable. You've now created a truly unique guitar blender, a conversation piece that also serves a practical purpose. It's a testament to creative repurposing and careful craftsmanship. Remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, along with other great deals. Enjoy your one-of-a-kind creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.